Hi, this is my first knife, but it is too big and too simple. I was inspired by the EDC project, and I decided to create a compact custom knife that continues this saga. So,
Humanity is plunging into high tech, but even at this step, there is a retro future. Pocket-friendly form and custom features, plus original materials, and we get this baby. Tailor the blade to the task and handle the style. Such conceptual goodness has always been done very little, and now this is a rare specimen, so the materials will be expensive, always with a mirror polish. A product for centuries from the virtual era is always special. Peace for everyone.